Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily change your email address in Faceit. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Faceit, and when you're going to be here, go to right top corner to the three dots, and right here you're going to see your account. So let's click on it, and right here you're going to see email, and let's click edit. And here you just add an email address, the new email address, and you got it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. So again, I go right up corner to the three dots, your account, I have an email address, click edit, and add a new email address, and voila. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.